Hey guys! So in this part of the assignment, I'm going to teach you guys a couple different things. So for our net zero living space colony style, this is about what is automation and environmental monitoring and what are the project goals. So like I've explained in class already, we are going to be using microbits to build circuits, automatically take care of our environment or monitor our environment. So what does that mean? What does energy efficiency through automation? What it means is that if we can get a computer to sense an input, a factor, and then react and change an output, a reaction, we can reduce our energy use. So, for example, my classroom has automatic lights. When it doesn't sense any motion, they shut off. And then when you move, they shut back on or they turn back on. You can have that. You can have automatic lights for if it's night or nighttime or not. So, like our street lights do that. Automatic watering systems where when a plant is dry, it'll kick on and it'll turn on a motor that will water your plants. All of these things reduce energy use because it does it automatically for you. It can sense it and it can fix the problem and it just uses less energy that way. The other way is just to be more energy efficient. How can we make things that use less electricity do the same amount of work? So some of the examples I'm going to talk about here and about efficiency and automation are how we're going to do this with microbits. So I'm going to give you a list of all of these different ideas, but there's things like you can do this little project on electrical conductors. You can go into, we're all going to learn about our circuit diagrams, and eventually, I'm actually going to get back to that part. You could do automatic watering systems. So on my website, there's an entire thing here that explains how that works. You can do some energy awareness coding, which is in here. You can even work with a climate action kit from Inksmith, which are fantastic. And then let's talk science living space. Now, the other piece of this is not just energy efficiency through automation and environmental monitoring is the second piece, which means how can you measure the environment around you, compare it to something else, and improve upon it and measure that data again. So kind of two different pathways. You can either make something automatic so it uses less energy. You can research, three pathways, things that are more energy efficient or use less energy, alternative energies and technologies. Or the third thing is how to monitor your environment so that you can make those changes. Okay, so hopefully that kind of gives you an explanation of what we're looking for our project when we talk about this. At the very end, and this is the part I'm going to loop back to, what you're going to do is you're going to create one of these awesome posters that's going to show me how you coded and created a system, describe it, take pictures of it, how you drew your circuit diagram, all of those energy transformations that are happening. And then finally, this part on the very, very bottom is the contribution to Earth and Mars. Now, remember the theme for this unit that we're studying is how do we make technologies for using the limited amount of resources and energy on Mars, but that are ultimately going to make us more efficient and take care of life here on Earth. Because remember, it's not okay to leave this planet until we take care of it, and then let's go to Mars. So good luck, and hopefully that's a nice little introduction. How do I hit stop? Okay, oh, my face is in the